how to get a dog inside of the house when it's 3 degrees. Amigo, come here. Amigo, come on. Come on. Yeah, he won't listen. So let me tell you some ways you could try. So our first option is we could get him to come in with some treats. Amigo. Come on. Come on, Amigo. Or the third option, you can like just pull him in. Here, come here. So for some guys, I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get some treats. I'm gonna get some 2 treats. Amigo. I literally just put it on the floor. And maybe if I pull one like right. Okay, so I put one like right there. You see the brown thing? I'll put that right there. And I hope he will come in. Come on, Amigo. Come on, Amigo. And if he like tries to grab a treat, if he has a leash on, I mean like a collar, try to pull his collar and get him inside. Or you could just like pull his feet in. But y'all, it's really cool. I don't know what else. Let's go see if I have anything else. Oh. Come on, Amigo. Get the treat. No, I'm so close. Yeah. Amigo's giving me the death stare. Oh, sorry. But like, that's Amigo right now. I need to grab the treat though, because he does not deserve this treat right here. I need to try to get him in.
How do you get out of here?
Yeah, hold up. Let's see. Amigo! Or you could just like wave his finger around and you could say, time to go! Okay, yeah, it's not coming. So I'm just gonna leave the door like halfway open to make sure.
How do you get out of this?
Alright,
How do you get out of
1 second, Scarlett! Okay, I'm trying to get the dog in. Okay. Okay, I don't know what it is, but yeah, I don't have anything else. Like I would. Greek stew. What is that? Wait, let me see. I don't have any other treats than Greek stew. That does not sound good for dogs. Well, I mean, it does, but like it sounds awful. Like it doesn't sound good. To like eat like soup bone. What is that? Nothing. I guess we're just gonna go with this weirdest thing. Okay, let's try to get in with this bone. It smells pretty. It smells terrible. Maybe he'll like it.
Oh.
Amigo, come here. Amigo, you need to come inside.
It's built like.
Amigo. Okay. He's giving his hand. I can't. Just have to keep waiting and waiting and waiting. Can you hear that?
It's coming from my pad.
What the?
I
Does that look normal? Okay, he does not. Okay, he just like almost got the bone. Amigo, come here. Get the bone. Get the bone. Oh my God, he's not coming in, y'all. He's literally been out there for like 20 minutes, and it's literally 3 degrees. I need him inside. Nah, he's right there.
I'm gonna die, bro. It's so cold.
Y'all, can you see him? Like, I'm in the window. Like, why can't you just come in normally? Guys, tag me if you have like a gadget to like bring him in or tell me, like, if there's, like, something that will, like, trigger him in or something. Because, like, yeah, he won't come in, no. It might take, like, another 40 minutes for him to come in, but, like, do my TikToks. That's my new update. But get your ass in here. I don't see nothing, y'all, but, like... Okay. Fit check, you know we have to get the St. Louis City signed by one of them. I guess this kiss. But Amigo's trying to make his attempt. Right there. Right there, y'all. Yeah, I'm really getting really cold. I'm gonna get the bone. Now since he's not grabbing it, I'm gonna bring it inside. I'm gonna put this in this other dog treat. This one, I'm gonna put that back. My feet are literally, I can't feel it.
How do you zoom out to see an avatar?
And I can do this. Use it. Did you change my avatar?
Yes, I changed your avatar.
It looks freaking ugly.
Well, you created it, so why do you create it?
Fucking
Wait, which
disappointment.
one do you press?
Oh, dumb ass.
Which one do you press?
Like this lady trying to tell me which key number. It's a number. It's a number. I mean, it's a the letter, but like it starts with Oscar. What does Oscar start with? You know? Yeah, it's right. Okay. No, bye y'all, cause I can't get him in y'all. Late. Bye.